Welcome back. A person trying to lose weight uh, lifts up 10 kg mass 1000 times to a height of 0.5 meter each time. Assume that the potential energy lost each time she lowers the mass is dissipated. How much work does she do against the gravitational force? The work done against the gravitational force is given by number of times the weight is lifted into work done in one time. Number of times the weight is lifted is given 1000 and work done in one time is mgh. So eventually we get 49 kilojoules. A person trying to lose weight lifts a 10 kg mass 1000 times to a height of 0.5 meter each time. Assume that the potential energy lost each time she lowers the mass is dissipated. Fat supplies 3.8 into 10 square joule of energy per kilogram, which is converted to mechanical energy with a 20% efficiency rate. How much fat will the reactor use up? Efficiency is given to be 20%. The energy is supplied by the person is 3.8 into 10 to the power 7 into 20 by 100. Thus, the amount of fat lost is 49 into 10 cube divided by this. So eventually we get 6.45 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg.